All right, in this video, we are going to create a layout for you to structure your week so we know that you're adequately stressing your body and then adequately recovering so that you can make good gains and not overtrain and not undertrain. So we have a good balance here. And, if you're first starting out, you're really only going to need to be lifting twice a week. So we lift twice a week in this class, so you'll be good there. If you're looking for more gains in strength or size, you might want to be lifting 3, 4, 5, maybe up to 6. We'll talk about how we can break that down times per week. And you might even be doing other exercise outside of class, right? Maybe some high intensity interval training or some easy cardio. So what we want to do here is we want to understand how we can lay out our weeks so that we can recover, because when you recover is when you actually become stronger and improve your fitness. So let's start with just a beginner guide right here. And so let's see, in this class we have people a Tuesday, Thursday class, a Monday, Wednesday class. Let's take the Tuesday, Thursday class. So let's say you're a beginner and you lift on Tuesday and you lift on Thursday. That might be all you need, all right? And let's take the rest of the week. So let's say Wednesday we take off because you might be a little bit sore here. And then let's say Friday you take off. And then let's just say we do some easy cardio here. Maybe you play basketball here, whatever your activities are. And then let's say easy cardio this day. Okay, so if we look at this, easy days, they're not going to, they might make you sore if you haven't been doing very much, but they're not going to do a whole lot. We can kind of recover with an easy cardio day. But let's say this lift, we get sore. So one of the things you may have noticed is 24 hours after you lift or work out, you get sore about 18 to 24 hours after that. And the reason is because when you work out, inflammation starts to spike because inflammation assists us in recovering, right? Once the inflammation is down, we've recovered. So let's say this is inflammation right here. We have an easy cardio day, so increase a little bit, but not much. Then we go on lift. Inflammation starts to rise, and it's going to peak about 24 hours after our lift here. And then if we take a good recovery day off, this could also be easy cardio here on Wednesday instead of being off, or you could take it off. Then your inflammation is going to start to drop back down, right? And then on Thursday, you lift again. So then we move back up on that inflammation cycle. And then we start recovering and we move back down. Oh, that doesn't look like a great line, but you get the idea, right? And so what's happening here is this is what we call stress. So stress makes you better unless you continually stress yourself. So let's say you're just starting out and you decide to lift every day of the week and you're lifting hard every day of the week. What happens then is inflammation rises and then it rises and rises and then you get injured or you get overtrained or something happens and you actually get less gains. They actually did a study where they had groups of people. They lifted 4 times. Both groups lifted 4 times per week. One group lifted 2 days, but those were double days. So they lifted twice. So let's say they lifted twice on Tuesday and they lifted twice on, let's say, Friday. The other group lifted Tuesday. So they lifted once on Tuesday, once on Wednesday, once on Friday, once on Saturday. This group actually got more strength gains. And the reason is they had more recovery time than this group did. So we're young, you don't need to take this much time for recovery, but we do want to take at least 24 hours of recovery. So let's take a look if somebody is going to lift 4 times a week. So let's draw this out here again. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so let's say we lift, let's use the class structure again. Let's say we lift Tuesday. Let's say we lift Thursday. And then let's say you want to lift Saturday and Sunday. All right, so here we have a similar cycle. So we have one inflammation spike, then we recover. We have another inflammation spike, then we recover. Then we have another inflammation spike. So this would come in here and then back down. So again, we have these 24-hour, actually you'd call this 48-hour because this would be, maybe you lift at 9 a.m. and then this at 9 a.m. is going to be 24 hours of recovery there, right? So this includes, let's say you're going to do like a hard cardio workout as well. I would throw that hard cardio workout on your lifting days potentially as well, because when you work out hard, you want to work out hard. And then when you work out easy, you want to work out easy. So if you want to talk about heart rates and that kind of stuff, what means easy and what means hard, feel free to do that in class. We might have a video on that later this semester. So, all right, let's say you're really trying to go for size gains. Sometimes what people do is they'll do like a back and bi day, a chest and tri day, and then a legs day. Let's make a quick routine for that, or a quick layout for that. And you can do upper body, lower body days. You can do total body days, however you want to lay things out. So, all right, let's say we're doing a, let's say Monday's back / biceps. Tuesday is chest / triceps. And then Wednesday is our leg day. I guess if it was me, I might switch the leg day to day 1, but it doesn't matter too much. What you want to do after 3 days in a row is you want to make sure you take an off day, because what a lot of people do is they'll just say, I can work out 6 or 7 days a week. That's a little bit much, right? So you can get 6 days in a week, but then what you have to do is Friday, you'll be on a back / bi day, then you'll be on a chest / tri day, and then you'll have your leg day again on Sunday. So, don't skip leg day, okay? So what happens though when we do this is now on your next week, you're going to have to take 2 days off this week. So then we're going to have to take an off day after this set right here. So then Monday we go off, and then you have your back bi day, you have your chest tri day, and then you have your leg day. And then you'd have this Friday off, and then you'd repeat that, right? Back bi day. Okay, so there's a million different ways you can do this. What I want you to do is think about your own goals, think about the other activities you have going on in your life, and make a layout of your weekly schedule that you might have. This will change potentially. And then make sure to find a way to, denote whether it's easy or hard. So let's say you could color code things. So let's say these are our hard days here. Hard day, hard day, hard day, hard day, hard day. Or you can write easy or difficult, or however you want to set this up. And then you would have your green days here for easy. Something like that, just to make sure that I know that you got the concept. You'll upload that, and then we should be good to go. All right, if you have any questions, you can ask me in class, send me an email, or leave a comment below. I will see you all next week.